Good evening, Chairman, Director and Senior Executives, and my dear friends. It's a great privilege to be here, great honor. When we started, this was about, I'll talk about the journey later, but 2 days back, I had gone up to my Krishna and asked him, since the Arjuna is there in Delhi, do I need to go there? Because we had a review from my Super Krishna, who was there on Monday. He said, okay, you take care of your Arjuna, I would manage my Krishna. So that is what he said. Gentlemen, first of all, congratulations to all the team members who had participated. It is only our day, so we are here. But having said that, it gives us a great feeling to have won this competition. It is just like your Radhakrishna Award for the best teacher. That's it. So, not much of time I'm going to take. I'll leave it to my Arjuna to take you through the journey which he has gone through. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I'm Jayaprakash from JK Fenner Material Supply Chain team working as a senior management material. So our project is zero follow-up, zero discrepancy. There was a time, there is a dip in my performance. At the time, my Krishna came, asked what he told in the interview. I'm thinking it is a very long time. Then I'm telling as a supply chain person, cost, material, supply chain, all things. He told no, it is no. He 1 second repeated what he told. Then immediately I recollected. I told my aim to become the president of the JK Fenner. So what is your plan? Now blank. So he shared the video. In order to move from the good to great and excellent, we need a coach, we need a mentor to guide you. So after doing that analysis of competency analysis of me, for this I thanks to Mr. Thuru and my HR department to give me the competency and the result. So after doing that, my Krishna gave me a 4 quotient. So physical quotient, intelligent and emotional and success quotient. First is a physical quotient to keep energy level at high. So I started running a marathons. So it increased my energy level. So from 5K to 10K and then half marathon. So in the history, Krishna will tell Arjuna, but in the modern days, Arjuna also tell Krishna, come run with us. So he came. Then after that, the top management, all the body came. Our president came also running with us. So I requesting our MD also come with runners. So apart from the running, I started trekking, rafting, and doing all the physical activity. It increased the energy level. So second is that intelligent quotient. Here the mid plan for my is set. So what is the mid plan? To become a world-class best supply chain manager in the world. So the plan is set. So we sit with me, Krishna and HR team. So what is the training plan? So we made a training plan. This. So why we need a training? We want to improve that performance not by 10 or 20. So we need to improve the performance by 2 times. In order to get that, you have to invest 3 times in learning, coaching, and self-education. So that the training plan is mapped. The best institute in India I completed logistics management, supply chain management, and supply chain analytics from IIT Roorkee. The other two programs in Singapore and USA are planned one. So I completed the two quotients. After that, my HR department and all my teams asking for the support to guide us for the any sports related. But in case of supply chain activity, I'm not getting opportunity to lead. So I'm thinking why I'm the part of the team, I'm not going as a lead. I'm asking my question, but I'm not get the answer. I went to the Krishna, why I'm not able to lead. He told, you are having all the energy level high, you are able to do the technical knowledge, all the things, but you are not a team. You are able to lead the team. Why it is? You are very aggressive. So the relation between the teams with others is not equal the good level. So he told you have to improve on emotional intelligence. It is emotional quotient. So from the transformation happened from aggressive level to assertive. So the people recognized from a physical side, technical side, and then in assertive. So the final question is success quotient. First you have to avoid that firefighting activities and then avoid distraction. The distraction is the disruptions. So we are wasting our prime time from morning 9 to 10 avoiding checking unnecessary mails. So he advised a mantra. You have to select a one project that is a game changer project for you. So in 90 days, you take a 1 quarter, one project, spend 90 minutes on every day. So the rule is 90-91. So one project, game changer project, 90 days, 90 minutes. This is a mantra. And then you should focus on the strategic and then limit the trivial and wasteful. So the business outcome in supply chain management, where we are focusing we are a manufacturing company. All we think is a manufacturing company, but today's scenario is changed. You should be on customer focus. So we are focusing on the customer service level. So what are the major areas in the logistic and supply chain management we have taken? Import management, direct port delivery, finished good distribution, warehouse management, and EU, that is authorized economic operator. So earlier we are importing the material from Chennai port. It having a lot of issue in the movement of containers moving from Chennai port to CFS, that is a container freight station. And then we started importing through alternate port in Tuticorin, but we had a challenges and failed. The transit time increased, not able to rely on the transit time. Then we went to the another port called Kottapalli. It is a near port, but we are able to get that advantage only for the material from import from Japan and Korea. So what are the next step? We went to the custom, we applied for the direct port delivery. So we can see the picture before and after. We eliminated the movement of container, the full truckload container moving from the port to CFS. We will take the material directly from the port. So it results in a reduction in inventory of 30 to 21 days. Then finished good logistic distribution. The challenges are longer lead time and damages, and that we are using many transporters. It results in tedious follow-up. The people are busy in speaking to the transporter. They're wasting the time. So we made an analysis to reduce that and consolidation to get that benefit of that load factors and get that advantage on that. So we reduced that 22 to 1. The main advantage, we are working in the data analytics part. So the base for the data analytics, you have the collection of data in a simpler form. So earlier 22 transporter, we not able to collect the data that is in different forms. So in a single transporter, all the data is transmitted to a technology called file transfer protocol. So it is called FTP. In every day, so the system automatically transfer from my LSP logistics service provider to my SAP. From that, the data we can take. So the result in reduction in the transit time in an average of 9 to 6 days. So this is one of my dream project, my first project in that warehouse management. Presently we are using that C&F model for that warehousing. It is an issue in FIFO, space constraint and technology constraint. here all thing is okay. Then we started and the commercial started. So we are going to start the project, but the warehouse service provider had some conflict happen. So he stopped. So I had a fear to tell my Krishna. I'm thinking whether I tell, because I tried one level to the boss and then their company super boss, all the things all failed. So I had a fear to tell, because it is a dream project for me. It is opportunity to become a next level. I failed. So I don't know what to do. Then, okay, at last I have to tell. I went to the Krishna, told this happened. He immediately called one number and told the president the project is delayed by 3 days. Sorry, 30 days. I'm wondering, I'm thinking for the last 2 days in the fear, my boss overcame. So he told you should have a guts to face the failures. So the opportunity is 30 days, a deadline for me. So earlier we already worked, my vice president came, all the top management came for that visit of the warehouse and audit. So this time told there is nobody. You have to, all the training, all mantras has given, you have to deliver. So I searched all the places and find that warehouses in Gurgaon. It is one of the best warehouses in India. This photo is an actual photo. It is at, near Bilaspur. We have started in December. It is a real photo, actual photo for the warehouse. So it gives the confidence to me how to face that fear of failure. And the last one is the AEO. So I compare with the AEO that were non-technical or non-related to supply chain. The AEO is equivalent to that Deming Award for that supply chain process. It is issued by the government of India. It is one of the best recognized certificate in the supply chain. It contains 4 areas. One is that financial aspect, security aspect, logistics aspect, and import and export. So here, what is the special that we are working in a visionary company. All the people, the top management are working in the long term. So you have to take a risk. There is a 3 type process: T1 and T2, T3. So I told my boss, I'm not going to the T1. I'm directly going to the T2. But T1 I can easily get. If I submit the documents within verification, we will get the contract. But T2 is complication. Not complication means you have to face a challenge. They will come for the audit, verification, all that. So they came for the audit in last month in March. So we successfully got that audit completed. Today I meet the top officials in the AEO office in Delhi. So we will get the certificate shortly. So some of the awards I received after doing this project. The first milestone was to become a best supply chain manager. I got the award from Institute of Metal Management, where I feel with the teamwork. I got that best teamwork corporate challenge trophy, and then corporate volleyball trophy. Then my dream day come on 2nd April. So what is a dream day? So earlier I worked under Mr. Dhanraj. Now I directly report to my Krishna, heading that logistics function. Thank you all.
Just a few words about my Arjuna before I finish. Just 2 minutes, not much. I will not take much of time. Having come from Chennai, I think I should have the liberty for 2 minutes. Now, when Jaiprakash came to us, this was about 5-6 years back when he joined us. He's raw, and he was a diamond when he knew. When I asked him, what do you want to become, he rightly said, I want to become the president. I had to protect my seat first. So that, no, that was the light of it. But then the point here is, he was raw. He had a lot of ideas, zeal, and enthusiasm. Only thing, we had to channelize it in the right direction and then leverage his strength. Weaknesses we can always work on, but strength is something we have to leverage for the company's goals. So which he has successfully done it, and then that's the reason. From a point where he was working individually, keeping everything to himself, he is a changed man now. He is totally changed in the sense the company has recognized his contribution and made him the head of the logistics of the entire company. From where he was about 5 years back, this is a much, much greater development which has been leveraged. And that amply proves on what is the growth he has done and what we can leverage out of this thing. He's been polished. He was a rough diamond. He's been polished. A little more to be done. I think he'll become a Kohinoor for the company and the group as well. Thank you very much.